If you're thinking about buying a Toyota RAV4 or you already own one, there are a few hidden problems you should know about before they turn into expensive repairs. The Toyota RAV4 has earned a strong reputation for reliability, fuel efficiency, and resale value, making it one of the most popular SUVs in America. However, like any vehicle, it isn't perfect. One of the most commonly reported issues involves the transmission. Some owners have experienced hesitation when accelerating, delayed shifting, or rough gear changes, especially in older models. While not every RAV4 suffers from this problem, it can affect driving comfort and may require costly repairs if ignored. Another hidden issue is excessive oil consumption in certain model years. Drivers often don't notice this problem until the oil level becomes dangerously low, which can increase engine wear and reduce long-term reliability. Regularly checking oil levels can help prevent serious damage. A third concern is related to the vehicle's electrical system. Some owners have reported problems with battery drain, malfunctioning infotainment screens, or warning lights appearing unexpectedly on the dashboard. Electrical issues can be frustrating because they are often difficult to diagnose and may require multiple visits to a repair shop. The fourth hidden problem involves suspension components. After years of use, some RAV4 owners notice clunking noises, vibrations, or a rough ride caused by worn bushings, struts, or control arm components. Although these parts naturally wear out over time, replacing them can become an unexpected expense for owners who assume the vehicle is completely trouble-free. The fifth issue involves the air conditioning system. In some cases, owners have reported weak cooling performance, compressor failures, or refrigerant leaks. Since many drivers rely heavily on air conditioning during hot weather, these problems can quickly become both uncomfortable and expensive. The sixth hidden problem affects certain all-wheel drive models, where drivetrain components may develop unusual noises or vibrations. If these symptoms are ignored, repairs can become significantly more costly over time. Finally, one of the most overlooked concerns is road noise. While this may not seem like a mechanical fault, many owners are surprised by how much tire and wind noise enters the cabin at highway speeds compared to some competitors. This can make long trips less comfortable, especially for families who spend a lot of time on the road. Despite these issues, it's important to remember that the Toyota RAV4 remains one of the most dependable SUVs on the market. The key is understanding its potential weaknesses before buying one and staying proactive with maintenance. A thorough pre-purchase inspection, regular servicing, and early attention to warning signs can help owners avoid major repair bills and enjoy many years of reliable driving. Knowing these hidden problems doesn't mean you should avoid the RAV4. It simply means you'll be a smarter buyer and a better informed owner.